Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today for Malware News. Schools and universities are lucrative targets for cyber extortion. An investigation into one such incident was found at the University of California. They suffered a leak of employee and student data due to flaws in the file sharing service. New malware was found siphoning off banking credentials from customers of several European banks. Cybersecurity researchers found a new Android banking Trojan called T-Bot that hijacks user credentials and text messages to distribute fraudulent activities targeting banks in Spain, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, and Italy. The University of California confirmed that the hackers accessed a heap of personal information on students, current and former employees, and other individuals who participated in the UC program. Medical records of roughly 200,000 U.S. military veterans have been exposed online by United Valor, a North Carolina-based firm working for the Veterans Administration.